Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to create unlimited Gmail account in 5 minutes. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to your Gmail apps, tap on this. Next, tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on add another account. Next, tap on Google. Use your fingerprint. Tap on create account. From my personal use option, select. Enter your first name. Next, your second name. Tap on next icon. Once select your birthday month. Next, select your birthday date. And next, select your birthday year. After that, select your gender. Tap on next icon. Select your choose Gmail account. Tap on this. After that, tap on next. Enter your password. Hopefully your account is created. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.